potatoes? You guys cutting potatoes? That was nice, right? And so we cutting potatoes. We had so many potatoes, right? And I'm grilling ham, Canadian ham for this Wilder's lunch. Yeah? Yummy? You like it? Yeah? And Samir, he has his own lunch. Okay, so I'm gonna have this cook here, and then while these guys are going and just cooking by itself, we're gonna do some. I want to teach some of the kids some more counting. Okay, so while this is cooking and just getting grilled, I'm gonna throw this egg. We're gonna throw an egg. You want an egg? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna throw an egg in there, and hopefully by the time the egg is done, look at that. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Is it nice? Can you guys see that? Let's see. Wow.
I see it.
You see it? That's for you, Wilder. That's your egg. That's for Wilder. I can't. Okay. It's too hot? Yeah, it's hot here. Okay, we gotta do that. You see it? That's a beautiful egg. That is for you, Wilder. We're gonna get fun with this. Let's take a picture of this. Okay, and then I'm going to show you mommy and daddy. What do you think about that? Outdoor grilling. Okay, so you ready? Smile, guys. See? Okay, so here, what we have here. We have in our special box. We have something in our box. Special box. What do we have? Can Samir see? We have a giraffe. You want to hold it? Look, it's a giraffe. Do, 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 do. Giraffe. Nom, 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 nom. Okay, we're going to have to put a giraffe here, okay? Is that okay? We're going to put the giraffe right here. The giraffe is going to eat too. It's almost lunchtime. And then what else we have? Bah! What is this? Bah! It's a sheep. Sheep. You want to hold it? How do you say it first? Please. And what is this called? Sheep. What does it sound make? What does it sound? How does it sound like? Bah! Can you say it? Can you do it? Bah! Bah! Okay. What is this called again, Wilder? It's the sound says bah, but what is it called? What is this animal? Sheep. Good job. Okay. We have another one. Let's see. Rah. Rah. What is this? Not a lion. It looks like a lion. It's a tiger. Rah. Can you guys do that? Rah. Rah. Here you go. You want this one? Okay, here you go, Samir. That's yours. Rah. Tiger. How about this one? Moo. What is this called? Moo. Moo. It's a cow. What is this? What is this? Please, but what is this called? A cow. What color is the cow?
Brown.
That's right, brown. Here you go, Wilder. And then we have another one. Moo. Moo. What is this called? It's another cow. This one you drink the milk from. Milk. Right? Milk. How many cows, Wilder? How many cows do you have? 1, 2. You got 2 cows.
Yeah.
2 cows. I think the egg is almost done. Almost done. The egg is almost done. What is this? What is that? It's a crocodile. Samir, don't put it in your mouth. No, no. Don't put it in your mouth. This is a crocodile. We'll put the crocodile here. Crocodile. What do you think about the crocodile right here? Yeah? Okay. The crocodile is going to watch your food, right? Let's see. Make sure that the bacon, Canadian bacon is not too burnt, right? Ooh, that looks really nice. Doesn't it look nice? Right? I'm going to flip it. The egg it's looking pretty good, right? So pretty much I didn't put any salt, no sugar, no salt, no oil, just pretty much cooking it without anything. You know, the kids don't really need that much, I guess you could say, seasoning. See, look how brown it looks. Looks really nice. Look at that brownness, you know. And then we just have to wait until it turns, for potato, you need to make sure it turns clear. Yeah, not white. If it's white like this, that means it's still raw. It's kind of like this, it's still raw. It has to be clear, translucent-ish. Then you know that it's actually fully cooked, okay? So I want to make sure that it's fully cooked on both sides, so I'm flipping them all. You guys like your animals? Thanks for being patient. We have to cook and we have to teach at the same time, right? I'm pretty sure a lot of families are doing the same thing. Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. So instead of doing potato chips or instead of doing French fries, you know, you can just do this and the kids love it, you know, because it's a potato. Who doesn't like potatoes? You like potatoes? It's so good, huh? So good. Yummy potatoes in my tummy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Who likes potatoes? I like potatoes. Who likes potatoes? Wilder likes potatoes. Who likes potatoes? Samir likes potatoes. Right? We're going to flip these all, and then after that, just make sure that the kids are not close by because this is a hot plate. It's pretty hot, so you have to make sure you don't walk away from this plate because it can be very dangerous, and we do not want any of the kids or yourself to get into any trouble by getting burnt. Oh, hey, is that nice? Wilder, how many do you have? You have 2. You share with him, okay? We share together, okay? Wilder, say sorry, love. Okay, give him a hug. Say, you're my best friend. Okay, you share together, okay, Wilder? Good job. Yeah, so, you know, you have to keep an eye on the food and keep an eye on the kids, right? So that's all. So I really like to have the kids play outside. It's really great for them to be outdoors, especially when it's with such great weather. Man, they're playing with their cows. You hear that? Yeah. So they're being cows right now. Moo cow. Nope, not in the mouth. No eating the cow, baby. Okay, so I'm almost done with this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'm gonna go back into teaching again. Right, just gonna do that. The ham is pretty good. See, that's done already. So the ham, I'm just gonna put on top of the potato. Right, these are just to put on top. It's fine. So at least it keeps it warm. Right, I just want to make sure that it's warm still. The egg, you see the egg? Oh, it looks really good. You see that? Right, perfect. Almost done. I just want to make sure it's cooked enough so that I can just like lift it up and it's a perfect sunny side up. Egg, you like egg? Okay, so I'm gonna put this down here. Okay, so what's next on the animal list? What is this? Elephant, elephant. Who wants to play with elephant? Wilder? Okay, how do you say this in Chinese? Yeah. It's not brown. I think it's gray. It's gray. Gray. Do you know how to say in Chinese? Huh? Did teacher Crystal teach you that in Chinese? Right? Okay. Yeah. Let's do it. Is it gonna stand up? There you go. There's the. Well, one last one. What is this? It's a bison. We have a lot of bison in Golden Gate Park too, right? You like the bison? Yay! You want to hold it? Okay, you just share it together, Samir. We're not gonna eat the cow. Okay, we're not gonna eat the cow. Yeah. So how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 animals, right? Do you like the 4 animals? Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 animals. And how many do you have? 1, 2. You have 2. Okay, so I think the egg is pretty good now. You see that? It is. We got a nice egg for you, Wilder. Nice egg, look at that. It's perfect. Perfect egg. And then the potatoes are almost done. And then you guys will have lunch soon, okay? Very good. So that's perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, and thanks for joining us with